In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a Wise fee of $31 using your iPhone. We'll make this process quick and straightforward so you can handle your transactions with ease and confidence. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Wise app on your iPhone. If you don't have the app yet, you can easily download it from the App Store. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Wise website via your preferred browser. Once you have the app or website ready, go ahead and log in using your personal credentials. Make sure to have your account information handy to facilitate the login process smoothly. After logging in, locate the pending transfer or payment that you are working with. If you're not sure exactly where to find this, look for the section on your dashboard that lists your current transfers or payments. This is where you can find all active transactions, so make sure to choose the right one to proceed. With the transfer in question selected, your next step is to check the total fee involved in the transaction. Here you'll see the $31 fee prominently displayed as part of the total amount. It's essential to review these details carefully to ensure everything aligns with your expectations before moving on. The fee is necessary for the services you're availing, but it's always good practice to double check amounts for accuracy. Now that you've reviewed the fee, it's time to choose a payment method. Wise offers several options for flexibility and convenience, including bank transfers, debit or credit cards, and even Apple Pay. Pick the method that best suits your needs and preferences. Each option might have different processing times, so if you're in a rush, go for the one you know will process faster. Once you've decided on a payment method, proceed to complete the payment. Follow the on-screen prompts to ensure correctness in the details you input. The app or website will guide you through filling out necessary information, making this part of the process user-friendly. Upon completing your payment, Wise will take care of deducting the $31 fee automatically as part of the transaction. You don't need to do anything extra here. Wise handles this seamlessly for you. With payment done, confirm the details once more and submit. It's always wise to have that final glance to make sure everything looks good. Finally, after confirming, all that's left to do is wait for the payment to process. Depending on your payment method, this could vary slightly in time, but rest assured that you'll be notified once everything is completed. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your Wise fee payment on an iPhone in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps simplify your financial transactions.